5 benefits of stone flooring. Dear friends, are you thinking of refreshing your home's look with new flooring? There are many reasons why stone has been a top flooring choice for years. Watch about the benefits of stone flooring. Durable. Stone flooring is durable. It can stand up to spills and high traffic, making it ideal for kitchens, hallways, and bathrooms. Stone is naturally moisture and stain resistant, unlike wood flooring. Even though the initial investment for stone flooring may cost more than carpet or vinyl flooring, it will last longer. Easy to clean. Messes on stone floors can easily be vacuumed or wiped up. Unlike carpets, stone flooring doesn't hold allergens, making it great for people who suffer from allergies. Temperature control. Stone flooring is great for controlling the temperature in your home. Stone can keep a room cool, which is perfect for those who live in warm climates. For those who experience cold winter months, there are a variety of heated stone floor options available. Stone holds heat, so heated floors may help heat the whole room. Rugs are another option to make a room with stone floors feel cozier. Adds value to your home. Stone is a coveted flooring type. If you choose to install stone flooring in your home, you will increase the home's value. Unique. Stone gives you endless options for your flooring. There is a large range of colors to choose from. Every stone tile is unique. Stone tiles can also be arranged in many different patterns. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.